We are Hubdrive. Our vision is to empower people and organizations in HR management.
So, hi, I'm Jason Fellows, and I'm the Director of Global Strategic Alliances here at Hubdrive. Today, super exciting, I have with me a guest, Pooja from our partner development team from Microsoft. I'd like to introduce Pooja. Please give me a little bit about you, your background, that sort of thing.
So first of all, thank you, Jason, for having me here.
Absolutely.
So I'm totally enjoying the experience talking to you. So my role at Microsoft is partner tech strategist. So Hubdrive is one of the partners on my partner portfolio. And what I try to do is to be the technical point of contact for partners like you. And my job is to, make sure that we both, from a partner point of view and from Microsoft, are growing together in terms of the Microsoft ecosystem. So that's pretty much about it. So any technical resources that you might need, any type of expertise that you might need is my job.
Okay, so. Perfect. And where are you coming from? I assume you haven't worked at Microsoft your whole life, but no. Maybe I'm wrong.
No, so I am relatively new at Microsoft. So if you really look at my colleagues, they have been much longer there. I joined Microsoft last year.
Okay.
But Microsoft ecosystem, that's something that I have been around for some years now. So I have 14 years of experience in the Microsoft ecosystem. Wow. Okay. I myself come from a partner side, from a services industry. So multiple number of services industries, I would say. Yeah. So I know both the worlds. Yeah. And I think that is what I bring in best to the team.
Okay. Yeah. Got it. So Pooja, your background is working at a partner, right? Relatively new to Microsoft, but not the ecosystem. So did you work for an SI partner or an ISV?
Yes, for an SI partner.
For an SI partner. Okay, so it's always, an interesting topic, right? How does an SI partner work with an ISV, that sort of thing. If you could give potential SI partners or our SI partners some hints or tips or how to work with an ISV, what would they be?
Of course. I mean, I can bring in my thought process into it. So what we are talking about is bringing, a platform or a product into solutions. Yeah, that is what we are trying to do. And when you look at the spectrum, we are at one side of it. Yeah, and that is where our partners, both SIs and ISVs, come in. We need you guys to bring in our vision, our product, our platform into a solution that helps the customers.
Okay.
Yeah, and in this journey, there is pretty much a misconception that it has to be probably either ISV or either an SI. Doesn't necessarily be that.
Okay.
Yeah. So what the customer would like to have is a customization. So not one size fits all, but at the same time, we cannot really cater to every customer. Yeah. So this balance is something that ISV brings in. So you bring in products which are modular in nature, pretty much reduces the time to the market. And the SI partners are the ones who are really the consulting experts and they know the customers. So how you complement each other is the way to work forward, basically. Yeah.
Okay.
So it is how it works the best. Yeah. So if you really look at the 4 circles or the 4 pillars, there could be the customer, Microsoft, an SI partner, and an ISV, and they can work seamlessly.
Perfect. And that's obviously how we do business on a daily basis.
Yes.
Great. So Pooja, as you know, we have something called the HR for Dynamics Toolbox, right? Which has all kinds of combined apps from partners via AppSource, from Hubdrive, as well as tools from Microsoft, platform productivity tools. What are your thoughts on it, right? Can you give me some feedback?
Yes, sure. So I think this is what works best in our partnership, Jason. Yeah. So your products are really built on our products. So if one solution is building upon our ecosystem, that's how it works. So we are looking for solutions or partners which are enhancing or complementing our solution. And this is what exactly Hubdrive is doing. Yeah. And moreover, there is going to be, from, like you say, there are fits models and a very modular system that the customers can just pick and choose. Yeah? So that is why it is easy. So if I am looking at employee self-service, I get employee self-service. If I'm looking at more of a sales HR process or the deals hiring or something like that, then you can pick those components. On the top of it, there is Teams to be, so the employees can reach out to the solution faster. So in the end, it is all about the ecosystem, and that's what I repeat again and again. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And obviously you've been working with us for a while now, right? What are some of the benefits you see from a customer perspective, right? When they're looking at a solution, they want to be able to pick and choose, right? Customers need flexibility. But they also have strategies to use CRM or to use ERP, maybe not a combination. The way we build our solutions and enhance the toolbox, how do you see that playing a part?
So it is like you just said. Yeah. So this is also true that the customers can use either the CRM side of it or the ERP side of it. Yeah. But when you talk about an HR solution or any solution for that matter, there are certain things that remain the same. So you do not want to reinvent the wheel. Yeah. So if you have some components that are already there, why not? Because your things just get simpler. And there might be some on the top which is only specific to your organization, and this is something that you can implement. So finding that balance is something that is important. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time, Pooja. I appreciate you being here today, and obviously look forward to the partnership.
My pleasure,
ahead.
Jason. Thank you so much for having us here.
No problem.
Don't hesitate to contact our sales team if you have a current opportunity, or email our partner management team to inquire about a partnership.